Hi everyone. Today for ELA we're going to be doing some picture recognition, okay? So Miss Josie's going to talk about what's on the screen and you're going to touch the screen with your finger, okay? So here it says touch the ball. So which is the ball? Is this the ball? Is this the ball? Nope. There's the ball. Where's the ball here? Here we have an apple, a blanket, and a ball. Okay, where's the ball here? Is this the ball? Where's the ball? Okay, now we need to touch the blanket. Where's the blanket? This is a ball. This is an apple. And here's the blanket. Where's the blanket in this picture? Here's an apple. Here's a ball. And here's the blanket. You touch the blanket. Show me where the blanket is. Were you right? Now you're going to touch the apple. Where's the apple? Here you're going to touch the apple again. Where's the apple? Point to the apple. It's red. Nice job, guys.